Hello, hope you're well. How you doing? On the menu today, we're going to make curry chicken, Jamaican or West Indian style. Delicious. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's get started on this chicken. So I've got chicken pieces cut, I've got some thighs, legs, drumsticks and all that in a bowl. There's about 1 kg there of chicken. What we're going to do is we're going to season it. So we're going to start by adding some salt, some black pepper. I'm going to add some thyme. Unfortunately, I don't have any fresh thyme, so I'm using a dried thyme. Then we're going to add curry powder. Now the curry powder we're using is a Jamaican or West Indian curry powder, which you can get in your local store, depending on where you live. Or what I'll do is I'll post the link and the video at the end of this on how to make it. It's not the same as Indian. It's a little bit more sort of aromatic, so check that out. Some garlic, chopped garlic, and then here I've got some habanero or Scotch bonnet, up to you, and in that goes. And you can see that I've got my glove on because that stuff is absolutely fire. I mean, it's super hot, but it has a fantastic, delicious, lovely flavour. So simply, let's just work this in. Now some people would add a little bit of lemon juice or maybe a little bit of oil to this. I'm going to go just dry. And what I want to do is we're going to cover this, get this in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Overnight would be amazing. So any time in between that, minimum 1 hour, overnight great. And then we can move on to the next step. See you then. Okay, so there's our chicken. This has actually been left overnight. It's the next day for me now. But yeah, like I say, 1 hour minimum. Let's take a look at some other ingredients. So, onion, chopped. Spring onions, green onions or scallions, whatever you call them, chopped. Potatoes, peeled and chopped into nice chunky bits there. Ketchup. I like to put a bit of ketchup in my one. Some bell peppers. I'm using green, but if you wanted, you could be using red or yellow or a mixture to get in there. And a little bit more of our West Indian or Caribbean or Jamaican curry powder. We're going to add that. Start this off with some oil. We're going to add a bit more salt and pepper. That is about it. Okay, so you're going to need some sort of pot with a lid and got some oil in there. I've got some corn oil that I'm using today. The heat is on. We're going to start off by dropping in our chopped onion, our spring onion, green onion or scallions, whatever you want to call them, and our bell peppers or capsicums. Again, so many names for these things. Okay, we're on a kind of medium heat. We're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so they're just sweating down really nicely. At this point, I'm just going to get a little bit more salt and black pepper in there. I'm going to add a little bit more of the curry powder. Now, not too much, because remember, our chicken is completely coated in that. And also, I don't know if you remember, we put that Scotch bonnet or that habanero or that very spicy fresh pepper on to the chicken. Now, if you don't have that, you can just get, some hot pepper sauce. I like this one, Econa. Econa is the one for me. I grew up on that one. So yeah, I'm going to actually get a little bit of that in now. So I'm doing double. I'm doing the pepper sauce and I've got the hot pepper on the chicken. I'm now going to add some hot water. I'm going to get that ketchup in. And we're just going to go for about another 4 minutes or so. Keep it moving. Okay, this is looking great to me. Now time for the chicken. So let's get our chicken pieces in there, which we've coated, and like I said, I left mine overnight in the refrigerator. But an hour, you need at least an hour. And plenty of extra garlic, curry powder, and that bell pepper, sorry, the hot pepper in there. Now, I wish I had some fresh thyme. I don't have any fresh thyme, because if I had some fresh thyme, I'd be putting that in now. So I just want to cook this for 4 to 5 minutes, then we're going to add a little bit more water. But first I just want to kind of incorporate it together. Keep it moving along. Fantastic. Right, more hot water. Just to kind of just about cover it. Need to bring this to a boil, keep it on a rolling boil, and I want to go for about 15 minutes. See you then. Okay, let's jump in here and take a look. There's some steam out there, plenty of steam on the go. And that is looking fabulous to me. Time for our potatoes, in they go. A little bit more hot water. Lid back on, rolling boil, 15 minutes maybe, and that's going to be done. See you then. Okay, off goes the heat. Let's get the lid off this. Lots of steam. And that, for me, is looking really, really beautiful. Check that for salt, it's going to be fine for me, for sure. That's going to be lovely with some white rice or some rice and peas. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.